Good morning, student. Today I want to recapitulate the chapter Motions of the Earth, whatever we have studied from first to the last. So first of all, we have studied about the Earth has two different kind of motion, that is your rotation and revolution. The Earth spin on its axis, the movement is called rotation, and the Earth take about 24 hours to complete one rotation. Then the primary effect of Earth's rotation is the phenomenon of day and night. Then we had studied already the Earth also move around the Sun in a fixed elliptical path. Thus motion of the Earth is called revolution. And we have also taught about the change of season is caused due to the revolution of Earth. Now, since the axis is tilted, different part of the globe are oriented towards the Sun at different time of the year. Then we have also taught about the solstice are the days when the sun reaches its highest in the sky in the noon time, and the rays of the sun shine directly on one of the tropic. We have also taught about the winter solstice occur on 22nd December and on 21st June there is a summer solstice. Then we had also studied the equinoxes are the day during which the axis of the earth is neither turned towards nor away from the sun. Then the autumnal equinox occur on 23rd September and the spring equinox occur on 21st March. We had already studied about the during midnight sun. The sun is visible for full 24 hours while during polar night there is night for full 24 hours. So this is the recapitulation of the chapter which we have studied. Now I want to explain some short glossary words about the current. Okay, it is the direction of the flow of water body that is known as the current. Then what do you mean about the subsequent? The coming after or following something particular in time is your subsequent. Then have you know about the diffused? So I will tell you, it is the dispersion or spreading out of something from one point of source. Now anti-clockwise, this means a movement which is opposite to the direction of movement of the clock. I will give you the assignment in the WhatsApp group. Thank you, class.